Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I'll show you how you can apply screen protector to this phone. So I'll be using a tempered glass, obviously, as you can see right over here, and so there it is. Now inside with your tempered glass you should obviously have the glass itself and one of these things, so wet and dry wipe. So if you want you can use those, though I probably wouldn't recommend. They're usually just garbage, small and not very fun to use. And what I'll be using instead is a microfiber cloth right here. So to get started, let's number one prepare our screen protector. Just have it ready. Now you want to take a look at yours before you begin. You should have two different layers or one. There is like a couple different versions, so if you have just one sticker to peel off, that's great. That's once you take that off, so whatever you're gonna grab right here and peel off, that's the thing that you're gonna throw out. So you're gonna be left with holding in the other hand as the actual glass, and whatever you peeled off will reveal the sticky side, so you wanna just be careful with that. And from there you want to just apply it to the screen that you have already cleaned and prepared, which I'll do in a second. Now before I do so, I will show you how I go about actually applying my glass. So the way I do it is I number one pick the side with the camera, usually depending on where the camera is located though. So in here I'll just do it with where the notch is, as you can see. So you want to align it, make sure that both sides are evenly spaced, and then kind of guide it with your index and thumb to be right in the middle of a display. So you basically pinch the phone and you kind of like try to pinch also a little bit closer to the display so you can feel the tempered glass and make sure that it is right in the middle, right? So once you have that, then you want to apply pressure in those points and just drop it, and it should be right in the middle, assuming it's kind of correctly aligned right here. And that's basically all you need to do. It will start gluing itself on its own then. So now that you kind of know how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna clean off the display. Okay, so now that the display is clean, what you want to do is have that microfiber cloth ready somewhere on the side, just because we might actually need it. Need to use it again if any kind of like speck of dust settles on it. So what I will do is peel off the protective layer right here, and then grab the microfiber cloth, give it a couple more passes just to get rid of any kind of dust, and from there I'll immediately apply the tempered glass. So get going. There we go. You can see that it is right now. There we go. So as you can see, it just applied itself all the way. And there is our tempered glass. So here we go. And that is how you could apply your tempered glass to your phone. Hopefully that helped you out and just the process. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.